Hello guys, welcome back. In this first episode, I'm going to show you what we're going to have to do in order to get this car into a show car. Let's get started. Alright, let's just get started. First of all, whenever I get a new car that's gonna have a full color change, what I do a visual inspection of the car and find the visual dents. Like there's one right there, and I just go all around the car, get a Sharpie, circle them up, and just look for those. After that, what I do, I go down the side and start looking for the dents, the harder dents to find. That's the only way you're going to be able to detect them. This is a white car, so it's going to be a little bit harder, but it's all the same. You go down the side, look for the dents that you weren't able to see, and just circle them up. Let me do that so that you can see the amount of little dents that I might find or not find. There it is. I got all the dents or little heavier things that I need to fix. But all in all, this car is in really good shape. On the other side, there's almost nothing, which is awesome. So let's just get started. What I'm gonna do next, or what I usually do next, start taking everything apart that's not gonna get painted. Like these bezels right there, the grill, a lot of little components that are not gonna get painted, I remove it. Why do I remove it? Because I want the paint to go inside. You're better off taking everything off, guys, because that way the paint will go inside, wrap around. When you put this, you have a nice protected area. Now this seam right here, because I'm gonna be applying metal flake, I'm gonna separate it so that the metal flake and candy paint will wrap around inside. So I'm gonna separate it a little bit so that it can go inside. All of that. Let me start taking all these things apart. Come back whenever I have everything removed so that you can see how it's looking. There it is. It's coming along. Real quick tip. Once you take the clips, the little screws and everything, tape them up, guys. Put them in a Ziploc bag and tape them up to the trim that it belongs to. That way you will not lose any of the pieces. There's a lot of little pieces that you can lose, so just do that and you'll be good. Right here you can see that they did not paint the inside of the door the correct way. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take everything off. Everything's coming off. Even the glass came off. So there we go. Let me continue and I'll be back. Alright, everything has been gutted. I also removed the seal from the trunk because it's gonna get painted through the inside also. Now the back bumper, it's gonna get removed. Let me show you something that happens when you don't remove parts from the vehicle before you paint. There you go, guys. Everything has been removed. Every single little thing. Right here, you can see I removed the glass. Right here, all this are chips. All these are chips that occur when you just tape up. They do occur, reason being is that a lot of paint accumulates there because it's not going in. It's not wrapping around the entire body of the car. And that's what happens. It starts peeling. This gentleman's, I guess, tried to fix it with some paint, but it starts to ship everywhere. Right here, it didn't wrap around here, and which the molding protects it. That's one of the reasons you have to remove everything. If you want to do a nice job, a good job, remove it. If it's possible to remove it, remove it. Okay? I am going to remove these trims right here. I do need a tool that I don't have, but I'm going to go get it. I am going to remove these trims. And that's one of the reasons that you need to remove as much things as possible. right there. They did not remove the chrome that's underneath. And you can see right here, it's peeling. There you go. It's peeling off. So my tip to you guys is just remove it. It takes a little longer. It takes some time, but the finished product that you're going to be getting will be 100 times better. Okay? And there it is. Everything has been removed from the car. Let me show you the front. Right there. Front bumper has been removed. Grill has been removed. Everything. Everything has been removed. And we're ready. We're ready to start addressing those little dents. These, they're going to be removed. So, look. Perfect example right there. Perfect. It's starting to peel right here. Now, when I come with the DA, I'm just going to feather all that out. Clean all this area out. And it'll be a really nice show car paint job. Alright? Alright, what's next? I am going to start repairing these little dents. Alright? There's not a lot. They're real little dents, real minor. But they do need to get addressed. Alright? But that'll be on the next episode. Thank you guys. I hope you got those little tips and tricks that I gave you right now. Please pay attention as to what I'm doing to get a professional paint job. Thank you. I'll see you this coming maybe midweek. Thank you very much. Have a great Christmas. Have a great week. And like always, God bless.